single jazz musician is one of a kind, remarkable, unique. When more than one perform together, they become truly special, greater than the sum of all parts. Here are 3 stories of energy teams and the surprising results they achieved as a team.
Cosma is a Magna group of companies. Format belongs to the Cosma group of companies. I was approached by Cosma Upper Management to go around to all our Cosma divisions worldwide and set up an energy team in hopes of trying to save some money on energy. I started with our North American plants initially, as we have, I believe, over 25 in North America. After that, I spread out into South America, Europe, and Asia. There was a little bit of hesitation at the beginning, but once you started showing them some results and what we can do, it was a complete buy-in by all the energy teams. Well, Format has been a cornerstone for us. They are the most productive energy team we have.
Format's a 1.3 million square foot plant. We make truck frames, front feesums, bumper assemblies. We got a very diversified energy team. We got people from all areas of the plant, production, maintenance, engineering, purchasing. We get everybody involved.
Well, when the concept come up about looking at a new roller oven, which was natural gas fired, we basically went to Union Gas with the idea and the concept. And then we reviewed it as a team. Union Gas went back to their engineering staff. They came back to Format with some upgrades that we could make, and it worked out very well on our behalf. We have a 100-foot long oven, natural gas fired, with rollers in it, and then we basically put a raw piece of steel in the end, and after a short period of time, in seconds, now it's heated to 900 degrees C, and it comes out of the end of the oven, and it's centered and ready for the robot to pick up to go into the press. Well, with the quality with the natural gas oven, we get a more even dispersed heat across the blank, and we also now be able to make more parts per shift, so it's a better cost effectiveness for us. I think the biggest thing we were looking for with the new oven was increased productivity, a better product for a better price, and the ability to maintain jobs here at Format and be competitive in the marketplace for hot stamping parts.
The people from Union Gas have been very helpful. We try to meet with them once a month. We go through a project list of the stuff that we're doing. They're very good at building a business case with you so we can actually show the energy savings. We're finding over the years it's best to get Union Gas involved right up front. They're very good. They'll take the information you give them, come back in a timely manner. They'll shoot you back and say, you know, we can save $15,000 if we go through and do this project.
In the Cosma division, we do work with other energy teams in other facilities and other plants. We learn from everybody, and then you can overcome the obstacles easier, or you can plan on what to expect.
Western is a very old university. It has a lot of tradition, a lot of history throughout. But that's also part of the challenge, because we have buildings that date from the 1920s.
We're a large campus of 90 buildings. That's our biggest challenge is the size and order of magnitude of our campus.
Western is a research-intensive university, which presents challenges because of all the equipment used for research is usually energy-intensive. Our current energy team was formed last year. We have people that knows about chemistry and greenhouse gases. We have the mechanical side, we have the building and indoor environment quality side, we have the financials, the controls. So we have a very interesting pool of knowledge to tap into.
Well, our latest accomplishment is our real-time energy dashboard.
Our dashboard is a tool for real-time energy management. We can see real-time how much total campus is using and how much every single building is using, and then compare one building to the other one. But we're working towards having all the utilities as part of that dashboard, not only natural gas, but steam, water, and maybe even chilled water. For this year, we'll save $1 million in energy, thanks to our demand management efforts that we've undertaken lately. That's a very big number. As for natural gas, we have saved almost $700,000 from the different projects, from changing equipment, from the insulation projects, from the different smaller projects, if you want to see it that way. The total would be at around $700,000 in savings.
Greenfield Ethanol makes all sorts of products. On the industrial side, our product goes into many household products that you would see every day, from beverage alcohol to cleansers and detergents and perfumes and all sorts of things. Our company has 4 bulk facilities that produce just under 640 million liters a year of ethanol. Most recently, we've established energy teams, and with each site having a specific mandate to identify energy reduction opportunities and implement them and track them, and make sure that every site is benefiting from the combined knowledge of the teams. But we're really looking for cross-functional representation. So we want people that are involved in the operations. We'd like people that are involved in the maintenance areas and the engineering areas so that we get a good cross-section of ideas and synergy.
This is the Greenfield Ethanol plant in Tiverton, Ontario. We produce ethanol from corn.
The Tiverton location purchased its steam from Bruce Power for many years. Because there was no natural gas line in the Tiverton area, we decided to construct a compressed natural gas facility about 80 kilometers from this location. And we have a fleet of trucks that keep rotating and keep the plant supplied with natural gas. It's helped us reduce our costs. It's also helped us improve our margins and really improve the viability of this location. Energy teams mean a lot to Greenfield Ethanol. They have an ongoing contribution to our energy consumption and efficiencies, and they really help us improve our bottom line and our competitiveness. The idea of using compressed natural gas and delivering it to the site originated from our energy team. It was one of the ideas that came forth. So over the last 4 or 5 years, we've reduced across the board our energy consumption by almost 10%. So that's had a significant impact on our cost of production, and it's helped us improve our margins.
Without the energy team, this plant, the Tiverton facility, was probably the most exposed plant of the company. I think the energy team has played a very crucial role in identifying how this plant fits into the business plan for Greenfield Ethanol, and it's very positive. And I feel better today than I have in a number of years about this plant.
Well, Union Gas has been a great sponsor of our efforts, and they've really been a partner through all of this. And
working with Union Gas, working as a team together, meeting on a regular basis, really helps them achieve their goals.
We have so many buildings, so many continuously changing items that we need to address. So they are wondering, can we do more? And yes, we will be able to do more.
Whenever there's an opportunity to explore an idea, we often will run it by the folks at Union Gas to see if the idea makes sense and whether or not it will qualify for some of the incentives that exist.
Our sales have doubled in 3 years, yet our energy usage has gone down by 0.2%. 0.2% doesn't seem like a lot, but equates to almost $22 million. After Magna saw the success of Cosma's energy teams, they have now asked me to incorporate an energy team in all Magna plants worldwide.
This same kind of magic happens every day in business and institutions that make, create, heal, or teach. Many bring people together as part of an energy team that manage and control a critical resource.